Of course, meteorologist Joseph Dames has been tracking all of that. I know it's like really hot in some parts of the country, and then we seem to be getting the rain parts of what's happening.
There's a major ridge. We'll talk more about this as I go through the weather forecast, but it's kind of stopping and preventing from everything from clearing on out. So there's just been, a spate of moisture and an influx of moisture through that section of the United States in the Pacific Northwest. And you can see that there's still a lot of moisture hanging around, but now pushing to the north. That's because of some very warm air and this massive ridge in the Midwest, which may stick around through the weekend. I wrote an article about it. You can head over to our website, but we'll talk more about it in this forecast as well. You can see some spotty showers here, pretty close to the Cascades. We'll extend this. We have high pressure down to the southwest, another disturbance there over in the Gulf of Alaska. You can see the cloud coverage. Yeah, it's streaming up in that direction. But it's really going to avoid us, at least for the next day. This high pressure here is going to shield us from a lot of action. In fact, it's going to help us dry out as early as this afternoon. It will start kind of looking like this. So here's our weather headlines. This is actually McMinnville here. And you can see that we're turning sunny and dry as we go into the afternoon. We're still watching out for that potential for some minor flooding. And heading into the weekend, I have it cooler again, probably into the 60s. I mentioned there's a massive ridge. You see this over here, all that red and the orange, all the way up into areas of Minnesota. So that's preventing this disturbance right here, which is causing all that rain, from moving and clearing on out. So they're getting a steady stream of moisture. Now, it will eventually kind of continue to push up to the northeast there. Here's our system tomorrow. It's going to be a very weak ridge, but overall, the pattern's going to be cool, and we're not going to see a massive change for us here in the Pacific Northwest. In fact, by the time we head into the weekend, we have another trough in place, which is going to bring in more clouds, rain, and as I mentioned, temperatures likely in the 60s. Okay, what is this? That massive ridge once again in place there for the midsection of the United States. They're going to again see temperatures 90s, triple digits. This is going to slow things down. We can't see this move east or really that far to the north until we can break this ridge down. So it's going to take some time to kind of switch up the weather pattern. Plenty of heat alerts there throughout the Great Lakes, extending down to the southeast. Heat advisories, excessive heat warnings. They're seeing temperatures in the triple digits today. Plus you factor on humidity. Really tough conditions there. I'm showing you that because right here in the Pacific Northwest, temperatures are in the mid 60s. We're going to stay cool if you just focus your attention there. All around us, though, we have temperatures in the triple digits, in the 90s, maybe even the 80s. So we kind of won, I think, the lottery for our weather this week. We're not seeing any of the extreme weather for us, but it is wet, and of course, we have to watch those river levels. Portland, there we go, beautiful view. There's McMinnville, Vancouver, and Lincoln City. A couple showers there over the Cascades. We'll keep them in place for the next hour or two. But I mentioned this afternoon will be dry. We should have some nice sunshine as we head into the afternoon, evening hours. Here comes Wednesday morning, maybe a few high clouds, producing maybe a couple spotty showers. I'm going to leave this completely dry for tomorrow. Not the case on Thursday, though. I do think maybe we'll get like 1 or 2 isolated showers in the area. Friday, we bring in some heavier rain, and it sticks around through the weekend, as I mentioned, because of that area of low pressure that's going to set up right over the top of us through likely Father's Day. I'll show you the forecast rain total as we kind of speed it all the way through the week. We may get to about a ½ an inch, maybe a little bit more than that. This isn't going to be as wet as last weekend, but there's definitely going to be some changes to the forecast coming up. I'll show you right here. We got 75 degrees for our Wednesday, 71 for our Thursday. This afternoon should be nice and dry, maybe even a little bit warmer than 67. We get to Saturday, there's the rain, but temperatures, Jenny, look to be in the 50s. I think we maybe get a passing shower on Father's Day, but for now we'll leave it pretty dry. So we just can't break out of this weather pattern.
I mean, yesterday we were saying the weekend was going to be dry, and the models changed. So
it's like I said, things are going slow. Things are really slow. So it should have been out of here, but I think it's going to stick around. Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll be right back.